Is your facility dealing with cracked, pitted, or uneven concrete? Don't rip it out just yet. We restore damaged concrete and extend floor life without the cost and downtime of replacement. Let's talk about what concrete restoration is, when to use it, and whether it's the right fit for your operation. Concrete restoration is the process of repairing and resurfacing damaged slabs to restore strength, durability, and appearance. We repair cracks, spalls, surface delamination, and even deep damage, then apply the right resurfacing system based on your environment. That can mean a new wear surface, a protective coating, or a build-up system to re-level the floor. Restoration is a smart solution for facility managers dealing with damaged or uneven concrete. It's ideal for fixing trip hazards, crumbling joints, or surface wear from heavy traffic and old coatings. If your floors are uneven, causing equipment issues or safety concerns, restoration can bring them back to spec. If your concrete is structurally sound underneath, restoration is often faster and more cost-effective than a full replacement. The best time to restore concrete is when you start seeing damage spread and want to stop it before it gets worse. It's also a smart move if you're preparing for a new coating or flooring system, or if your current floors are causing safety concerns or failing inspections. If you're trying to avoid the high cost and downtime of tearing out concrete, restoration gives you a much faster, more efficient solution. We can complete repairs during scheduled shutdowns or off hours to minimize downtime. You avoid the cost of new concrete and you extend the life of your floor by years. If your concrete is failing, don't replace it, we'll restore it. Request a quote at customcrete.net and we'll schedule a site visit. We'll evaluate the damage and design a repair plan that works for your timeline and budget.